Welcome to Rocky Mountain National Park, home to numerous alpine lakes, over 265,000 acres of dense wilderness, and a diverse array of wildlife. There is something for everyone within the Rockies. Sitting at elevations between 7,000 and 14,000 feet, you will experience the absolute tranquility that can be found within the mountains. Along the way, we will stop at many of the vistas located alongside Trail Ridge Road, which is one of the most popular routes within the park and regarded as the highest paved road in the United States. Today, we will embark on a short half-mile hike through the mountains, which will lead us to a pristine lake filled with lily pads and numerous photo opportunities known as Nymph Lake. In order to hike within this portion of Rocky Mountain National Park, you must acquire a timed entry pass, which grants you access to Bear Lake Road, which features many of the popular alpine lake hikes within the park. We then took the public transit shuttle to the Bear Lake Trailhead, where today's adventures commenced. We chose to hike to Nymph Lake first, since the sun was starting to set as Day 2's adventures in Colorado came to an end. Bear Lake is only 256 feet from the parking lot and easily accessible for many, featuring a beautifully constructed gravel path. Alright guys, we finally made it after an all-day excursion to Bear Lake Trailhead. What an amazing place. Okay guys, I think we're getting closer to Nymph Lake. Wow, look at that. Look at that place. Every part of the trail gives you a different perspective. Look at this. Alright guys, we just finished the Nymph Lake hiking trail. Now we're heading to Bear Lake. Ice measuring 500 feet thick moved across Bear Lake Basin between 15,000 and 30,000 years ago. Originating in the uppermost valley heads, glacial ice eroded high basins called cirques and quarried the sheer granite cliffs of Hallett Peak. Rock debris from these glaciers formed the ground moraines or ridges that surround Bear Lake. like we're running out of daylight, guys. This trail does have some connections here to Flat Top Mountain, Odessa Lake, Fern Lake, and Bierstadt Lake. You guys can kind of see the aspen trees changing to their golden yellow color. Really gorgeous. Look at that. This park is just mind-blowing. Oh, that's really nice with the sun.
I know. Just share the water. The clouds too are nice.
Look at these benches too, guys. Look at that. So nice. Look at this. You should take a picture here.